Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Tapo P100 with the Tapo P110, and I'm going to look on what are the main differences between these two that you need to know. So I will just share with you straight up. So there are two big differences. The Tapo P110 got consumption monitoring. It's a monitor electricity consumption energy in real time using Tapo app. That's something that you don't have with Tapo P100. Even here you can have remote control on both, schedule both, timer both, voice control on both, away mode, compact design, easy setup and use. The energy monitoring is the one big thumbs up for the Tapo P110. So this is important. And another thing, this is going to be another really important thing, is that you can have working status. The maximum load is worse for Tapo P100 comparing to the maximum load of Tapo P110. So these are like the two really big differences that I wanted to share with you. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. And yeah, other than that, is like not much differences, to be honest. Have a great day and goodbye.